Hi, welcome to my unit on circles, which will have chords, inscribed angles, central angles, arcs, arc lengths, sectors, and segments. And to start out this video, we will talk about circles and chords and the definitions that I will use in these first few videos on circles and chords. Definitions. Number 1, match column A with column B by placing the correct letter in the blank. So I'm going to read out the statement, and then we pick out one of the words that matches. A set of points in a plane that are a given distance from a fixed point. A set of points in a plane that are a given distance from a fixed point, and that would be a circle. A circle is a set of points that I'm now drawing that are a fixed distance. So all these points over here are a fixed distance away from this center. If we call the center O, all these points on the circle are a fixed distance away. B, a line segment with one end point at the center and the other end point on the circle. So if you're at the center and you have another end point on the circle, that would be the radius. So B is the radius. So what we have, again, we have a line segment with the end point at the center. Let's say O is the center, and the other end point is on the circumference, so that's the radius. C, a line segment whose end points lie on the circle. A line segment whose end points lie on the circle, that would be a chord. So if you draw a circle, and if you take this point and this point on the circle and join them up, so that line segment is a chord. Or you can take going anywhere from here to here. That's also a chord. So this point and this point are on the circle, so the segment that joins these two endpoints is called a chord. And a point equal distance from all points on the circle. So a point equal distance from all points on the circle. So that's D. That's the center. So if you take the center, O, say this point is equal distance. So this point is equal distance from this point, from this point, from this point. So the center is the point that's equal distance from all the points on the circle. The total distance around a circle. The total distance around a circle is circumference. E is the circumference. Circumference is the total distance around a circle. So if you take a circle and you have a center O, so this distance, so if you travel from here right on around the circle, so that distance is called the circumference. Distance, it's similar to what we call a perimeter on a triangle or a perimeter on a quadrilateral. The distance around a circle is the circumference. And we have one left, a chord that passes through the center of the circle, and that's F. F is the diameter. So a chord, here's the center. A chord goes from one point on the circle to another, passing through the center. So there's the center, and there's the chord. A chord has endpoints on the circle, and it passes through the center of the circle. So this is a chord, but it's a special chord called a diameter. Okay, now that I defined some of the terms that I'm going to use in these first few videos, let's identify each using this circle I have here. The center of this circle, the center is right here. The center is O. And the diameter is a chord that passes through the center. So this is a chord. A, C lie on the circle passing through the center. So the diameter is AC. Radii are going from the center out to the circumference. So the radii are OA, OH, OC. OA, OH, OC. So OA, OH and OC. OA is equal to OH is equal to OC. So all of these are the same length because the radius is equal distance. It's the distance from the center to the circumference segment is the radius, and they're all equal. Chords. So a chord is, one chord could be XW. This is a chord. This is a segment drawn between 2 points on the circle, joining 2 points on the circle. And this is also called a chord. AC is a chord, but AC is a special chord. AC is passing through the center. But so X, W, and AC are chords, but AC is a special one called a diameter. I just wanted to review some of the terminology that I'm going to be using. So that's the first video on this unit on circles. And if you like my video, click the like button, click the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content that's on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video will help you. Bye-bye.